Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 41. Anieyo. Anieyo. Again, our word for today is anieyo, and this is used to say it is not. Again, it's anieyo, and this is different from aniyo, which is no. Now, how do we write anieyo in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable, we need to draw first a placeholder or ph iyong, followed by an a character. For the second syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an e character. For the third syllable we need to draw a no sound iyong, followed by the character itself. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw a no sound iyong, followed by the yo character. Now let's try using anieyo in a sentence. For example, is this one. It says, 저는 선생님이 아니에요. The translation of this in English is, I am not a teacher. So if we try to subdivide this sentence into each word, for the first word, it's 저는. It only means I am, or I am the subject of this sentence. 선생님 is the Korean term for teacher. And lastly, anieyo is our word for the day, and as mentioned, this is used to say I am not or it's not. So again, 저는 means I, 선생님 means teacher, and anieyo means it's not or I am not. So as you can see, the subject of the sentence is I, and this is then translated into Korean as 저는. And then 저는 is followed by 선생님이 아니에요, which only means not a teacher. Again, anieyo is used to say that something is not or it's not. So again, 저는 선생님이 아니에요 only means I am not a teacher. And with that, you just learned anieyo. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 31 to 40. But don't forget our word for today, word number 41, it's anieyo, and this is used to say it's not. The first word for our review is word number 40, ne, which means yes. Word number 39 is anieyo, which means no. Word number 38 is check, which means book. Word number 37 is 학교, which means school. Word number 36 is 물, which means water. Word number 35 is 저예요, which means this is me. Word number 34 is saram, which means person. Word number 33 is 죄송합니다, which is used to say, I'm sorry to disturb you or excuse me. Word number 32 is 가방, which means bag. And then the last word for our review is word number 31. It's 잘 부탁드립니다, which is used to say, please take care of me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.